Hey everybody, it's Luke over at Galaxy Tech Review, and today I've got a product from COOCEER. This is their fingertip pulse oximeter. You can pick up here on Amazon. Of course, I'll have those links in the description below where you guys can check this out. Now, this is a great thing to have with anybody that needs to monitor their SpO2 or their heart rate. You can easily do it with this, and I really like the fact that this has a large LCD screen, so older people that may not have the best vision will definitely appreciate that. We're going to dig into this now, and I'll be right back. Okay, so let's take a look at everything that comes in the box. You're going to get a carry case with the unit. They do also give you a user manual here for the COOCEER fingertip pulse oximeter, and it's kind of a fold-out manual. It's written in English, and it does fairly well at explaining everything that you need here, so hold on to it for reference. They also include 2 sets of batteries. These are AAA batteries. You'll get up to 18 hours of continuous use out of each set. So that is nice that they include 2 sets, not just 1 set of batteries, but 2 sets. They do give you a card here that kind of tells you about what your blood oxygen saturation levels should be and what your heart rate should be. You can use this as a guide, and you can reference that if you need it. Now let's take a look at this nice carrying case that they give you with this. This is a nice, kind of like a leatherette, kind of semi-hard shell carry case for this. Which is really nice. They also give you a lanyard up top here. So if you want to carry this around, you can put this on the unit and carry it either around your neck or on a backpack or a book bag or whatever you're going to be using. No problems whatsoever. Now, the main unit itself is nice and it's lightweight, which I really like. It's got a very large display on it, so anybody that has vision problems, I'm getting up there in age, and it just makes sense that they make this nice and readable. So go right on your fingertip like so, and then at the bottom you're going to have your compartment here for your batteries. You just have to slide it off, install 2 batteries, and then slide it back on. Once you've got your batteries installed, all you have to do is push 1 button here, and you can see that it has a very large LCD display that you can reference. Now, you can't rotate this display in any way, but the fact that the display is so bright and so large kind of makes up for that, in my opinion. Now you're going to get kind of a pretty quick reading here. You can see I'm sitting at about 82 beats per minute at 98 SpO2 percentage, 97 SpO2 percentage. So it comes up very quickly. So you can get a very quick read on this, which is really nice to have. And it's also bright enough that if I was in the sunlight, I'd be able to read it as well, which I think is also important. So now we're going to take a look at my Galaxy Watch 4 and see how close these are in the readings, and I think that that's totally fair to test it against something else. Now this says 79, this says 78, so very, very close here on both of these. I am at 96% SpO2, 97% SpO2, which is about the right for me personally. So being able to check your SpO2 and your heart rate in a very quick way with a nice device that has a really large LCD screen for anybody that has impaired vision, people getting older, just if you need glasses, that type of thing. With this, you probably won't. And the fact that it's very bright also lets you see it in very sunny environments, and if you have to take your SpO2 while you're outdoors. Overall, I think COOCEER did a great job on this. It comes in at a competitive price point. It's got a very nice large LCD screen and a long battery life. It is accurate to other things that I have tested as well. So I think that you should put this on your short list. If you're looking for a fingertip pulse oximeter, you should check this one out. This was Luke from Galaxy Tech Review, and I'll check you guys out on the next video.